So one of my favorite traditions during the holidays are baking cookies. And you know what? I have a special guest to help me out with that. Who is this right here?
Me.
Why so serious? It's week 3 of Holidays with Kin, and this week we are celebrating traditions. Yay! So to see what the other shows are sharing, be sure to click on the playlist in the description. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the chocolate. I have some chocolate here that I've melted down with some butter, right?
Yes.
And to that, what are we gonna add?
Sugar.
Yes, let's do it! There we go. So go ahead, whisk that until we see no more sugar, right? There we go. Look at you!
What? How fast did it?
It disappeared very quickly, huh?
What? That only took like 10 seconds.
What do we do next?
Eggs.
Yes, okay, Mommy will go ahead and do that.
No.
You wanna, okay, do you wanna help Mommy?
Yeah, sorry.
There we go, because we don't want
whole
it to,
thing?
the whole thing, buddy. There we go. Show them how strong you are, Cree. Show all the ladies out there how strong you are.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Oh.
That just went in one ear and out the other.
Yeah.
All right, Cree, so you see our sugar's gone, our eggs are gone, and now we're gonna add some vanilla extract, right? 2, 3.
Ooh.
So what's next?
Flour.
Okay, we're gonna put the flour in there, right? Do you wanna do it? We're gonna put
Whole thing?
the whole thing.
Okay.
There we go. And then now we're gonna add our hot chocolate, the whole bowl.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it.
Now we're gonna add some salt, right?
Whole bowl?
The whole bowl. Okay, there we go. All right, do you wanna put this in the sink for Mommy?
Sure.
Okay, you had to think about that for a minute. But you know what though, Cree? You are an incredible helper when it comes to your sister. Are you not?
I am a good helper.
And what do you do? Like, what do you do when you help your sister? Or when you
Get a
help Mom?
pacifier, get toys, get all this stuff, get bottles, get all stuff. No, get mommy's pumping thing.
Too much information. I will have to say that Cree is Cairo's favorite person, right?
Yeah, and Daddy always says, Cairo likes Daddy the best. It's not true.
Yeah. We don't want to hurt Daddy's feelings, right?
So we can't know.
Now we're gonna add even more chocolate. We're gonna add these chocolate chips, right?
The whole bowl?
The whole bowl.
Done.
You see, he comes with sound effects. So these chips were semi-sweet, and we're gonna add some bittersweet. Bitter. Num num num. Mommy makes eggs, and Daddy makes eggs. Which one makes the best eggs? Choose wisely, Cree.
Daddy's is the bomb? No, I want Grandma to be in there too.
Okay.
I have Grandma, that's
Okay.
one,
Okay.
and my mom.
Yay!
And Daddy.
Can I show you one and then you do the next
Yes.
one? Okay. So Mommy's just gonna put one like this,
How do you
right?
do it?
See how easy that was? So I'm just gonna put this in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes to firm up, right?
Yes, indeed.
So our cookies, right?
Yeah.
They're out of the refrigerator. They're nice and firm. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next,
I
okay?
already know what to do.
You already know what to do? Show me. You put one marshmallow there,
And two.
and then put another one in there.
I'll do like separate.
Separate? Oh, okay, 2 different kinds?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're just gonna fold it together like this.
Like a paper airplane?
Like a paper airplane. Gotta make sure it's hidden, right? What do you do next? There we go. Okay. Bravo, Cree. When you bite into them, it's gonna be ooey and gooey. Hey, Cree, do you want to tell our quick fixers what our Christmas plans are?
Getting presents?
Says every kid. We're gonna be going to Hawaii with my sister Tamara
But the same for 3 days. The same for 10 days.
Yes, they're gonna be there for 3 days while we're there.
It's so sad. I wish they could stay for 10 days.
I know. Well, Tamara, she's gonna try. Are you excited about Cairo's first Christmas?
I'm not excited. I'm really excited.
Aw. What are you gonna give her for Christmas?
You know one of those pianos for little babies?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and they have like a little chair, and they just sit down.
Oh,
and it's
okay.
a little piano, and they just play it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think I want to get.
You want to get her that? While he eats these marshmallows.
Ooh, tasty.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 9 to 12 minutes. Our cookies have cooled, right?
Yes, and they look so good.
And they look so good. You want to see what it looks like on the inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready? Let's do this. Look at that, Cree. He just wants to eat it. Yummy, 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 yummy. Go for it, buddy.
So algae. Oh, so good. I'm gonna eat it all.
Cree.
It's really good.
I think that's a good sign that these are good. Right, Cree?
Yeah, I can eat these all day.
Make sure you guys follow.
Moist cooked flakes.
Be sure to check out the Holidays with Kin playlist in the description.